In this assignment, I made a library system. This is my use case diagram. In this system, student can borrow or return book from the librarian. Librarian will check student ID and enter the student information. Here is include. And librarian can also view student information. Here is extend. After the librarian checks the student ID, if the student ID is true, librarian will go to library and search book. If the student ID is not true, library will display not a student. After the student borrow or return book, the library will update books stock. This is my class diagram. I have 3 classes and there is a relationship between each class. This is my student class. Student class has 4 attributes and 3 operations. The student is constructor. Here is my librarian class. Librarian class has 3 attributes and 2 operations. Here is my library class. Library also have 3 attributes and 2 operations. One student can only have 1 librarian, but one librarian can have 0 or 1 student. One library can have many librarians, but one librarian can only have 0 or 1 library. Finally, this is my sequence diagram. There is 3 classes and there is operation. Student can borrow book or return book from the library. After the student borrow or return book, the library will update book stock. That's all. Thank you for watching.